Iki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
UMLA jong ka UDP na nongpo constituency ba Mayral bon Syiem hakan rew tadik uyayong arjar apun rew ulakan taj iki khubor hamsaya ba ka dan ka jingbo mes ka thu jingmut Hapoh ka Syiem jong ka United Democratic Party ban paniklano yakin nong yalam ha ka Jingïakynad bakla patai khubor ba Syiem ul ong ba dan jingtip ye ya ka jingmi ka khubor hamsaya bat ong ru ba ya dan mentai ye nakaliang jong
See, I will tell you frankly, I am the legislator in which the people of Nongpo has reposed faith and confidence in 2018 as well as in 2023. As much as I can, I have tried to perform. I'm not saying that I have performed 100%. With me, I'm a human being. But as much as I can, I have tried to perform. Now when it comes about 2028, time will tell. And most importantly is the electorate of Nongpo constituency who will give me hint what shall I do. I hope you understand. Peoples have their power, the leaders, the people of my constituent, based on their support, based on the feedback, I can give you a categorical response on this. But right now, I am a member of the United Democratic Party. I represent this party in the Legislative Assembly. I won on this ticket in 2023. I'm so thankful for that. There's no turning back on that. But 2028, what will happen, that time will tell. The demand from who?
From public? From your
That
supporter?
time will tell. You got the answer by yourself, you go to the market. You ask from people, they will see. I have told you in my opening remark, time will tell. Me also, I am doing all-round exercise about what mandate people will be given. And based on the dream and aspiration of the electorate, we have to take a decision based on that in due course of time. I'm not part of that groupism, or I'm not part of those discussion on all those matters. I'm not aware. See, let me categorically respond to this. I'm a politician who regard all opponents as a great challenger. All political parties. It may be Congress, it may be BJP, it may be BPP, it may be UDP, it may be NPP, it may be any political party. In my constituency, I always take a stand that all my opponents are strong. They always stand as a challenger. So there is no complacency in politics. We have to work very hard. Suppose we'll get a result today, from tomorrow we have to start how to do well, to perform well, so that people again, they will repose faith and confidence in next election. See, there is a time for everything. There is a rise and there is a fall down of any political party. If you talk about national politics, there is a time where Congress is very strong and now it is weak. BJP is very strong. See, the people, in due course of time, they will give a befitting reply to any successive government. That is natural. There is no political party who remain forever for 40, 50 years. Change is always, this is a beauty of democracy. That's why we are part of this vibrant democracy which has been carved out through the constitution. We have electoral process and the popularity of political parties. Now, not only BPP, even BJP is also popular. NPP is popular. UDP is, all political parties are popular. So you never know what will happen. Electorate of Meghalaya, they are very wise and they know whom to choose as their representative, and we leave it to the wisdom of the people at large. With the question you asked, my duty is to perform. So till date, no one has approached me to have a group, to do this, to do that. We are not happy with present dispensation. We are not happy with this, that. Nobody has come to me. So my duty is that I'm having a peaceful sleep every night because I perform my duty sincerely.
But
I have no time for all those groupism here, there, forming this group, that again this group. I'm totally not in that line. See, personally, I will tell you, I have not exercised my mind, and this is the kind of decision that will be taken by the party leadership. So I'm not representing as a spokesperson of any political party, so I'm not in a position to tell about it. Usual, if they ask me, I will stand as MP in MP election.
but
At the end of the day, that
do you-
depends. This time will tell after due course of thorough consultation, then we could arrive in this decision, not at present. Comprehensive exercise that has been taken place all over India. There are political parties who welcome, there are political parties who oppose. We are free in a vibrant democracy. But as a concerned citizen, it is very important that we should conduct SIR. Yeah. I'm of the view that we should have. I've told you that all party is a challenger for me. All candidate, all political party. Even BJP also is strong. They have good party organization.
they have
No doubt.
contacted.
That will leave it to me. Who has contacted me or who has all political party have contacted me. All. As a friend, I have friend in all political parties. So exchange call.
No,
The
was
discussion is always there. Leaving party, joining party, doing well. All this is a part of a discussion in a vibrant democracy.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? Family का सबसे youngest भी तो है. Let's go guys. Party time.